Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and it's been so long since I made a video. Just came back from a crazy trip. What's even crazier is on that trip, our baby stock IGEN had a crazy breakout that is just getting started. And I want to go over why, and I want to go over the charts because it's been so long and it's been so long overdue that this is the time that we've been waiting for as patient investors, believing in the Chan man, believing in this company for the long term. And so right now we're looking at IGEN here on the hourly. And so I'm going to zoom this actually out to the daily first, just so we can see a clearer picture of what happened the last couple days. So on the Friday, we were under all of our SMAs. We were breaking down from our level of support right here. That has been a very critical level. This was the bottom for IGEN, and so we really needed to hold this level as a level of support. However, we started to break down and the price action started to get away from the bulls, and the bears started to get full control of this stock. And then on Friday, IGEN drops a PR saying they secured GSA multiple award schedule contract with state and federal governments. This is an absolutely massive deal. The government spends over $40 billion exclusively with GSA. The one thing I love about this is that only 0.03% of the companies in the States actually have contract qualified product, and the fact that IGEN is one of them is huge. But that's not the biggest thing in this entire PR. My favorite thing about this PR are the counties that are going to be using this product. We're looking at Michigan, New York City, New York, Tennessee, and California, and also Pennsylvania. Right here, you guys already know these two areas in New York and California are the biggest and the most dense areas in the United States. And I just came back from New York, and I can definitely say that this product would help the safety of all drivers there. There's so much congestion, there's so much crazy driving going on that is very hard out there. And so this is a great contract. This is great news for this company. And so we already knew that these guys are working behind the scenes to get these contracts, and now they finally put out some PR. And so as investors, stock prices move off of news, and so this is the news we were waiting for. And so from that news, we saw a surge on our share price above all of our SMAs, and we even closed above our 200-day SMA. And so in one trading session, we exploded through all of our levels of resistance. And so anytime you can see a play like this, this shows extreme strength. These are all levels of resistance that we're looking at. IGEN in one trading session broke through every single one of them. So I just want you guys to take that in. The stock's accumulation has been coiled up for a very long time. It was just a matter of time before it sprung. People thought that that was the run to sell on. Those who did that have no clue what's going on with this company. This run hasn't even started yet. Today was picture perfect price action. If you bought today, you are looking very nice on IGEN. I want to go over that right now. So every time we break above our 50 SMA, which is indicated by this green line, we always want to get a back test on that line. What that means is the price goes over, you want to confirm that this is a breakout, and to confirm, you want the price action to come back on the green, and you want the price to hold above and then eventually bounce off the green. Once you get that confirmation is when you want to buy the play. And so when I'm looking at IGEN today, how they closed, when we zoom this in onto the hourly to look at it a little bit better, I wanted to see the back test today or tomorrow, and we actually got it today, which is even better. The more early that it does it, the faster and early we can start to break out. So you can see here, all of today, we were just dropping, and then we got down to our 50, but you could see how far up we actually closed from this point. So we came all the way, and then the bulls held this level. And so this is an extremely strong hold for this stock. And looking at these charts right now is getting me absolutely excited. If I'm looking at our RSI, it's at a 50. So everything is just set up so nicely for this stock to have an absolutely monstrous run. And with where we are in our price action, I think that this is going to be a huge play, and I'm so excited because we've been waiting for this for so long. IGEN has been drowning. People have been wondering whether or not this is a pump or dump, if this company even has a legitimate product. Are these guys going to get off the OTC market? Are they going to go bankrupt? I think what we saw with the PR confirms that these guys are progressing well. They have a very strong county base that I believe has so much opportunity, $40 billion to be exact. And so there's so much room for them to make their revenue, make their money. And for a company that's worth less than $10 million, I believe that IGEN has tons of upside from this point. We got our back test that we were waiting for on our 50 SMA. And also remember, the Form 7 should be coming out sometime this week. And so anytime you get a Form 7, you know that's a catalyst either up or down. And right now the momentum is in favor of IGEN bulls. So any sort of Form 7. And I can't wait to see where that catalyst takes us. Right now, the price action is looking extremely juicy. I expect tomorrow to be a very nice day for this stock, and I can't wait to watch it then. I'm glad I'm finally back to talk about this stock, giving me full energy, especially after a trip where you have to spend a lot of money. To see something like this happen is extremely incredible. And so I wanted to quickly update you guys because it's been a while. So if you guys enjoyed this video on IGEN, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.